overheating. All right, you probably hear that? You probably want to preheat your oven at 350 or 300. Excuse me, we're doing 300 today. So get that oven preheated at 300, and we're going to be making a dessert today, a low-carb pumpkin cheesecake. All right, let's run down the ingredients. This Swerve I've never even heard of until today's video. Never heard of Swerve. We got regular sugar replacement, and I've got the confectionery kind of Swerve. We got both of them, regular sugar and confectionery sugar Swerve. It is a replacement. So these two bags right here are going to be used in the recipe. We got coconut flour and almond flour in this recipe. We got eggs in this recipe. I got vanilla in this recipe. Pumpkin pie spice and pumpkin puree, not pumpkin pie filling. That's puree pumpkin, all right? Last time I used it, you guys thought I was using pumpkin pie filling. Salt here, heavy whipping cream, regular whipping cream, and a pie dish. And ricotta cheese. Don't want to forget that little boy. He's very important to this dish. Are you guys ready to make it? Let's do it. Okay, we're gonna mix the dry ingredients. We're gonna take the flours, the two flours, the coconut and almond right there. Dump them in. And then the pumpkin spice. Get that all mixed together. All right, get the cheese in. There it is. Ta-da! Get your pumpkin puree in there. And whisk these two together. Once you got it all blended together, you're gonna now place the eggs in one at a time. You're gonna crack the egg in and whisk in the egg. Now that we've mixed in all our eggs, we're gonna add our sugar in. Now we're gonna fold in our vanilla. The best way to fold in is to get a flat spatula like this. Okay, and you're gonna slowly fold. I like to call it a gentle mix. So if you splash your vanilla all over, you get all throughout the dessert, and just slowly lift and take it like this. And throw it right on top. Lift and roll on top. That's folding in. And now we're gonna add in our flour. Okay, you wanna grease your pie pan with coconut oil. All right, last step is pour your batter in. I want you to bake this at 300 degrees for an hour and 15 minutes or until this stops jiggling. That's jiggly, see that? You don't want that. Okay guys, this is all mine. It's a low carb pumpkin pie right there, and it looks beautiful. Did you notice there's no crust on this and it's holding together? I would not refrigerate it 1 hour. I would refrigerate it overnight like I did, and it cuts perfectly. All right, are you ready? All right, here we go. Got to get some whipped cream. Got to cut a piece. Here we go. Smooth, light, creamy, pumpkin-y. It's pumpkin season. You got to make this. All right? Try it out. Let me know what you think. I love you, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.